There are many words in the English language that can be used to describe food. Some of these words are positive, such as delicious or appetizing, mouth-watering. Others are negative, such as rancid or spoiled. We tend to describe food based on how it tastes, its appearance, its smell, and its texture. So these are the following food texture vocabulary. Buttery means smooth and creamy like butter. Crumbly means easily falls apart into small pieces. Crunchy means that makes a sharp noise when eaten. Juicy means texture which contains a lot of juice. Lumpy means a liquid containing solid pieces. Fluffy means a light and airy texture. Silky means a fine smooth texture characterized by a sleek feel in the mouth. Velvety means a smooth and rich texture. Crusty, having a hardened crust as a covering. Greasy means oily.